What's up guys, it's Matt from Cornelius Creations. I just wanted to take a second to show you this custom Opinel I've been working on. Now I've actually made a set of these for Christmas right here for different clients, and they were so popular a lot of people wanted them, so I made a few more, like this one I'm working on right here. So anyway, let me open this up and show you right quick. Basically what I did is put a patina on here. Turn it, you can see where I carved in the areas right there and just made a design that looked aesthetically pleasing. So I was really happy with the way this turned out right here. Now a basic looking sheath came with the Opinel, but I took it apart and redone some stuff on it, put some more thread in there and put some color on here, so you can basically say I made this after everything I've done to it. So I think that turned out pretty nice. And I got a question for you guys, and I would like for you to comment below which one you like better. Here is a sneak peek of an Opinel that I've been working on right here. I did some Viking designs on here. I really like the way it turned out. So guys, I really need you to comment below and tell me which one you honestly like better and which ones would you like to see more of. The more carved designs like this, or the more wood burn Viking designs. I like both. Now, I'm tending to like the wood burn look a little bit better. Of course, I'm partial to Viking designs anyway. I just love all the knots and everything. So if you guys would below, please tell me which one you like better and why. That would help me greatly on my channel to show you guys more of what you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a ton of these Opinel mods coming out. I have so many orders put in. So you guys just be watching out for them. And if you have not caught any of my other Opinel videos, you can check my list below. I'll link a playlist down there. And these videos right here are not really how-tos. They're just basically showing off some of my work. So on this channel, I'm going to be doing some tutorials and just showing off some of the work like you see here. So if you guys would below, like I said, please leave me a comment telling me which one you like better, the one on the left or the right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.